All right, so here I have a Selenium Webdriver automation that I built, and I'm going to actually run it. This one is actually uploading files to a website. This site is going to be for a dedicated image gallery. It's a family website, so it won't be open to the public for access. Like, you'll need credentials to log in, kind of like a members only website. And so since I have access to it, I'm actually setting it up. So I have some photos in here that I want to upload. I have about 70 of them. And so what I'm actually do is run this automation. I've already tested it and confirmed that it works. And so I put start times and the end time of the process in here so that I know how long it takes to upload 70 photos. So with that being said, I've updated the configuration because there are some values that are passed in as arguments, and they'll be passed into this function. And then this function here will actually go to the website, navigate to the website, and set the default timeout to 30 seconds. Log in with the username and password. If there's an issue, it'll throw an error. And then there is a directory on this particular computer that this automation is running from that is going to go and check all of the files. And so for every file or photo that exists, it will upload it to this website as an image. And then once it has uploaded all the photos, as you see, it's going to the add content page and then selecting the content type of image. And then it will set the title of the node that is creating as the file name, because you have to have a node in order to, you have to have a title in order to create a node. And then it will set the image to upload with the file path from my local computer. And then it will click submit. And once it's done, it will move that file to the archive directory, because I don't want to delete it, but I don't want it to still be there. So if I run this again, that it doesn't re-upload the same set of files over again. So get that file name and the archive directory location, and then move the file, and then output that the file is done. And it will do that for each file. And then once done, it will click the home page, so that if you're not actually, monitoring every run, that you'll see that once it hits the home page, that means it's done. I did have the logout text here, but you may want to go in and do some editing. But once in the final version, I will actually uncomment this so that it will actually log out once it is done. So without further ado, here we go. And so I'm gonna run it as debugging just in case something happens. I want to be able to see the errors that it is outputting. All right, so the process has completed. So 19:30:31 is the end time, and 19:26:39 is the start time. So almost 5 minutes to upload 70 files, which is pretty quick. So I know as a human, it probably would have taken at least 4 times longer, because of the fact you have to manually move the mouse around and so forth. But using the process automation, it was able to do it way faster. In addition, it already had the file name, so all I had to do is type the names in and keep going. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of insight into how to do a file uploader within Drupal using Selenium Webdriver. The code for this automation, as well as the website updater automation for Drupal 7, will be available on my GitHub page. The link to that will be in the description below. If you have any questions about how to do this, please let me know by using the comment section below or dropping a line on my website at thealmostengineer.com. Thanks.